Hi students, welcome to Google Classroom. Already we completed the first unit of marketing management. Today we are discussing about the second unit, the title of connecting with customers and building strong brands. In this unit, we have to discuss about the first topic, that is analyzing consumer markets and business markets. In this topic, we have to know about the learning goals. First one, define the consumer market and construct a model of consumer buyer behavior. A second one, name the four factors that influence buyer behavior. Third one, list and understand the types of buying decision behavior. And the fourth one is describe the stages in the buying decision process. The first thing is you have to know about the consumer market. First of all, you have to know about the consumer behavior. The consumer behavior is a process a consumer uses to make purchase decisions as well as to use and dispose of purchased goods or services. Also includes factors that influence purchase decisions and the product use. Types of buyer. Generally, we have two types of buyers are there. They are individual buyer, it is called as consumer market, and second one, business buyer, it is also called as business market. Coming to consumer market, all of these final consumers combine to make up the consumer market. A consumer market is a marketplace consisting of household consumers who buy goods for individual or family consumption rather than resale. It is different than a business market in which businesses sell goods and services to other companies. In this thing, consumer market unless the we have to purchase the goods or services to ourselves, that is individual purchases, it is called as consumer market. First of all, we have to know about the consumer buyer behavior to know about the consumer market. What is the consumer buyer behavior? Consumer buyer behavior refers to the buying behavior of final consumers. The consumer, it is the meaning of the person who uses the final product. So there is a difference between customer and consumer. Already you know about the difference between customer and consumer. The individuals and households who buy goods and services for their personal consumption. Consumer buying behavior is the sum total of a consumer's attitudes, preferences, intentions and decisions regarding the consumer's behavior in the marketplace when purchasing a product or service. The study of consumer behavior draws upon social science disciplines of anthropology, psychology, sociology, and economics. These four things are input in the consumer buyer behavior to analyze the consumer markets. Influence of social science on buyer behavior studies. Here we have the things of three. They are economics. Human is a rational buyer who wants to take maximum utility out of fixed or minimum price. Any customer or consumer expecting the final use. So how much maximum utility we have to gain from the product or service. This is a basically thing expect from the human psychology. And second thing, psychology. According to psychology, any human activity is directed towards meeting certain needs regarding Maslow's need hierarchy. All of you know about the Maslow's need of hierarchy, the including of 5 stages. Sociology and anthropology. So this is another element, that is effect of reference group, society, role in society, etc. So later we will discuss about these three things in buying behavior process. Model of consumer behavior. The behavior of the consumer depends on the marketing stimuli, other stimuli, consumer psychology, consumer characteristics, buying decision process, purchase decision. So all of you know about the several things in these all sectors. Characteristics affecting consumer behavior. Yes, we have to discuss about these four elements. These four elements are affecting different consumer behavior characteristics. What are they? Let us see. Cultural factors. Cultural factors depends on the culture. A culture forms a person's wants and behavior. And subculture Groups with shared value systems. Social class. Societies, divisions who share values, interests, and behavior. And second factor, social factors. In these social factors, you have to depends on the groups. In these groups, membership, reference, opinion are there. A membership, we are the social animals regarding Aristotle tag. That is the membership is we are the one of the member in groups, as well as we have to reference by the other groups. Already you have to opinion taken from the other members in group. That's why the characteristics affecting from the consumer behavior. And second one, we are depending on the family. Mainly we have to influence from the many members from our family. And third one is roles and status. We are always looking for status, prestigious things in status, luxury items in the society. And next thing, here I have to show one ad, that is, this advertiser knows teens are strongly influenced by groups when purchasing fashion items. Absolutely. The teenagers who are taken from opinions or affecting the to purchase different products and services, they strongly influenced by teenagers. So this is the ad influencing the teenagers are giving the references, opinions to buying power from others. And second thing, next thing, third one, personal factors. Personal factors are including with age and life cycle, occupation, economic situation, lifestyle. In this lifestyle, we have activities, several activities, interests and opinions, lifestyle segmentation, and personality and self concept. Already we know about the lifestyle. In India, we have to divide it into three lifestyles. They are rich people, middle class people, low level people. These all the things you have to know about, well known. And next, psychological factors. It is a fourth thing. These factors are motivation, motivated by others, perception. You have to recollecting your perception things according to your knowledge. Third one, learning. So you have to learn the different aspects from the environment, family, groups, society, and politics, whatever it may be. And finally, beliefs and attitudes. We are Indians, we have some beliefs and attitudes among our culture and tradition and heritage. So, as well of these four factors, key factors, they are cultural factors, social factors, personal factors, and psychological factors. The consumer behavior are depending on the four factors. Next, psychological factors, motivation. A motive is a need that is sufficiently pressing to direct the person to seek satisfaction. A Maslow order needs based on how pressing they are to the consumer. Example: are you hungry? Buy food. Are you bored? Go to cinema. These are the motivation factors influencing our psychological things to buy some products and services in consumer market. And next, already you know about the Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Here we have 5 stages of the hierarchy needs. Already you know about the physiological needs: food, water, shelter, safety needs, security, protection; social needs, senses of belonging, love; esteem needs, self-esteem, recognition, status; and fifth one, self-actualization needs, self-development and realization. So according to this Maslow's hierarchy of needs, you have to analyze the consumer markets. And next, this ad demonstrates a product meeting physiological and social needs. Later, you have to discuss and analyze this ad and give the answer to particularly for this ad. And next, discussion: what consumer products might fulfill multiple levels of the hierarchy of needs? So you have to analyze the one product. The product, it is fulfill multiple levels of the Maslow's hierarchy of needs. The particular product fulfill these all the 5 levels of the stages of Maslow's hierarchy needs. And next, psychological factors, perception. So, in this perception includes selective attention. Consumers screen out information. Example: computer. The consumer screen out information. The any consumer take the information from the particular pamphlet or hoarding or any TV ads and etc. And second one, selective distortion. Here some people interpret to support beliefs. Some people give some misguidance or miscommunication things to affect the purchasing of the buying behavior in consumer market. Third one, selective retention. People retain points to support attitudes. The people, the consumers who are waiting for the more discounts and offers. And next, discussion question perception. How many ads were you exposed to today? And second question is, which ones do you remember? Why? Later we will discuss about this discussion. Psychological factors, learning and memory. Learning describes changes in an individual's behavior arising from experience. Example: if you get some rewards from buying Dell computer, you will prefer to buy printer from Dell again. Short and long term memory also direct people to choose which product to buy in the consumer market. Types of buying decision behavior: high involvement, low involvement, significant differences between brands, few differences between brands. Complex buying behavior, variety seeking buying behavior, dissonance reducing buying behavior, habitual buying behavior. Later we will discuss about this diagram. Changes in lifestyle and buying habits. Ready to eat food are popular now? Yes. Ready to eat food are popular now. Regarding Swiggy, Zomato, these two segmentations are giving more services at the present scenario in the market and the consumer market. Vacuum cleaner and cooking ranges have entered into households. And third one, shift in women's attitude towards cooking. Yes, learn. Previous day we are using different households in the kitchenware and etc. But today we are using several machines like microwave oven, mixies, grinders, like that. And yesterday's luxuries are becoming necessities. It is true. Yesterday, in future, previous days, we are taken some goods as luxuries to show our prestiges in society. Nowadays, becoming it is all luxuries are necessities, essentials today's life. And next, coming to business markets, business marketing also referred to as industrial marketing. So once again, you have to remember that business market is also referred as industrial marketing or B2B marketing. B2B marketing is nothing but business to business marketing, or it is also called as organizational marketing. Business marketing is a marketing of products and services to business organizations. Business organizations include manufacturing companies, government undertakings, private sector organizations, educational institutions, hospitals, distributors, or dealers. Business organizations buy products and services to satisfy many objectives like production of other goods and services, making profits, reducing cost, and so on. Consumer marketing is a marketing of products and services to individuals. Here you have to recognize one thing that is difference between business and consumer market is consumer marketing is depends on the person who purchase the products and services for their own individual, but business markets are depending on the persons or companies who taking the services and products to selling the or giving services to the other companies, that is retailing business. Business versus consumer market. Here we have to drag in the three different tables. In this table, areas: industrial business markets, consumer markets. Here coming to areas, first one, market characteristics. Coming to industrial or business markets, geographically concentrated, relatively fewer buyers. Consumer markets, geographically distributed or mass markets. Product characteristics, technical complexity or customized. And coming to consumer markets, standardized. Like this, you have to read in this table and after that you have to analyze this. And next, B2B marketing versus consumer marketing. Here B2B means business to business marketing versus consumer marketing. How it shows areas, channel characteristics, promotional characteristics, price characteristics. And next, participants in the business buying process. In business markets, buying process is affecting the participants who are involving in the business buying process. Initiator, influencers, gatekeeper, decider, buyer, users. Coming to know who are the participants. First one, users. Users are members who will actually use the purchased products or service. They initiate buying proposal and help define product specification. Like office staff. Influencers often help define product specification and provide information for evaluation. Like engineers, researchers, product managers. Buyers select supplier, arrange terms and make actual purchases, such as high level officers, purchasing agents. Deciders have formal or informal power to select the final suppliers in routing buying buyers or deciders, like CEOs. Gatekeepers control the flow of information to others, such as purchasing agents, administrative assistant. So, thank you.